Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a well-equipped 2013 Chevy Tahoe LTZ 4-wheel drive. Stock number Z8364XX. 78,000 miles on this Tahoe. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Black granite metallic in color. The Tahoe is a very safe vehicle. 5-star front and side government crash rating. Seat 7 with a leather interior. Bucket seats in the middle row, which are also heated. DVD player with wireless headphones, rear audio, rear climate, and those heated seat controls. Push a button on the inside of the door. Seats will fold flat for additional cargo space. Push again, tumbles forward to make it easy to get to the third row that seats 3. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. Hitch and wiring behind the cover, nice clean look when not in use. Power liftgate for convenience. 50/50 split folding rear seat. Folds flat. Tumbles forward, locks into place so as not to fall back on any cargo. Also completely removable, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. And very clean, as you can see. Running boards make it easy to get in and out, especially for kids or shorter passengers. This LTZ has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, heated as well as cooled front seats, keep you comfortable no matter what time of year. Power seats, along with the tilt and telescopic steering wheel, put you in that perfect driving position. Power moonroof, shift on the fly 4-wheel drive with auto setting. Cruise control, leather wrapped steering wheel, which is heated, great for those cold winter days. Steering wheel mounted audio controls, automatic transmission with manual shift capability as well as tow haul mode. Large, easy to operate touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Navigation. And that is of course where the backup camera display is. 3-zone automatic temperature control. Power adjustable pedals, great for shorter drivers. Lots of storage space in the armrest. A large glove box with all the owners. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, power moonroof, and liftgate control. Under the hood, this Tahoe has a 5.3 liter V8, 320 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 15 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 21 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires and new brakes. For more information on this Tahoe, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.